Hello guys, I'm Bo. Today I will cook a local food for my parents for dinner. It is called chili paste. So go find out what is it. Ingredient: tuna fish, small eggplant, chili, but I will use only one chili, and onion, garlic, and fermented fish, but I will use a little bit. So let's start cook it. Prepare tuna for barbecue and fermented fish. Wrap by banana leaf, then barbecue. And today special, this vegetable we have to barbecue. So then I cook small eggplant, chili, onion, garlic. Cook until them cook well. Now we take a vegetable, tuna fish, fermented fish to barbecue. After we done cook the chili, onion, garlic and small eggplant, we will take them to pound in a mortar. Oh, sorry. So we got that we barbecue already. So we take tuna meat. So you see how much work I have to put on. I have to cook every day. So please help support my YouTube channel if you like it, and make sure to subscribe if you are new here, and feel free to leave comment below. I would like to share how we are doing in the garden. And I take tuna fish to pound with the ingredient before. finally I add the fermented fish that I cook it. Okay, done. So this the dinner for tonight for my parents that I told you. Small eggplant, tuna fish, chili paste for dinner, and barbecue pega vegetable. I forget. I will how we eat. We do like this, Avia. Good. This one is herbal. It's good. A little bit bitter. But when you barbecue, it smell of the charcoal. So we eat like this and rice. No. Eggplant. Very good.
Nana thích thịt chợ.
And this one is stinky one, but I will eat. Cha om. Actually, this one good. They don't use pesticide because the pest doesn't like. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, bye bye.